What? Okay. And it's sent. Welcome to a new vlog. Today is Friday the 3rd of March. And I'm getting ready because today is technically my last day at my job. And you guys, I have been through it, you know? I've really suffered. Let me put you guys here. And I'm very late to work because it's my last day and I don't care about being on time anymore. So this was a very it was kind of like a Devil Wears Prada moment. For a long time, I think I was very excited about being in the fashion industry, that the possibility that I could have a bad time didn't cross my mind at all. No, there was no possibility in my head that I would hate this job because it's fashion PR. I was excited. It was a cool way to enter the fashion industry corporately. I stopped making YouTube videos because I had no time or energy. And I didn't even know that I could not like it. That wasn't a possibility that my brain conjured up. I thought I was gonna love it and then move up the PR corporate ladder. And I really did not have a good time. And so my last day technically was supposed to be March 6th, which is interesting because March 6th is also Ghana's Independence Day. And that was the date that I put on my 2 weeks notice. And I didn't even think about it when I was putting the 2 weeks notice in, because I put the 2 weeks notice in exactly 2 weeks from the moment I felt like I had made that decision. So that was February 20th. And I put March 6th as my last day. And then it dawned on me a couple days after that March 6th is Ghana's Independence Day. That is symbolic and that means something. We're free, ladies and gentlemen. It means something. Parting words.
I learned a lot. I had a great time. I'm so glad we met.
I know.
We would have met if it wasn't for this job.
No,
so I'm
seriously,
really grateful for that.
The best thing this job gave me.
Yes, indeed. So, yeah, no, I'm going to miss our times, but
Same.
I know we're going to have more, so.
Period. I'm going to miss our times sitting next to each other, laughing at everything.
At everything. At everything.
And this is not the end. This is only the beginning.
Only the beginning.
Of our takeover. Of our kingdom takeover.
Yes, exactly.
Taking over the world. It's only the start.
It's only the start, so stay tuned.
Bye. We're turning up the lights one last time. It'd be so dark. Okay, lock the door. A farewell. I slept with makeup on. Why did I do that? Because I know I shouldn't. That's the #1 rule of makeup. Don't sleep. Don't go to bed with your makeup on. And it's so easy to wash my face. Come on, let me show you. I'll show you how easy it is to have washed my face last night. Before we clean up, let me show you this box. This box is a PR package I got from Lancome. I'm gonna show you what I got in the package. Starting with this mascara base. I guess it's kind of like a primer, but for your mascara. And then they also gave me an actual mascara. Ooh, cute. primer, mascara, and then I also have 4 of their new, I don't know why I said it like that, 4 of their new eyeliners. So I have black, brown, blue, and green liners. That's so fun because sometimes I like to put like a little line of liner right here. So it would be cool if they were like different colors. I'll have to try it out. Okay, let me show you what my room looks like. And then we're gonna clean it up and figure out what we're doing next. You walk into my room. There's a bag, a big bag. Not good. There's clothes on the floor. I just took my clothes off and threw them. There's this big pile of stuff. My bed is unmade. There's my tea that I was drinking this morning. A Snapple from 2 days ago. At least I'm lighting a candle. And then this mess of a situation. As you can see, my table is very messy. Let's figure out what all of this is here. This was all in my purse. So, I just dumped it out here. Bracelets, go right here. More bracelets. Hang up my key. My rings, gonna go put them on my ring box. Hand sanitizer, lotion, lip gloss. A pair of Delta headphones because I lost my headphones. Some pens that I'm gonna put in my pen drawer. These are some complimentary gift cards for this like manicure place. So I'm gonna put that in my wallet actually. Wallet goes here.
And then I have your pantsuit. I have a really nice pantsuit that I have.
Is it the black one?
Yeah.
I'm like, where did all my clothes go? Like, I feel like I'm hallucinating because I've done laundry twice.
Also, most of these you left at home.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog. Do I look cute?
You do.
Do I look bonita? Because I feel bonita.
You look bonita. Next order of business is recording a podcast episode. This one is going to be low key. I'm not gonna I'm recording 2 podcast episodes today, but this one is a bonus episode. So I want to do the way my podcast is going to be structured moving forward. There's going to be an episode every Monday. So 4 episodes a week, 4 main visual, full, meaty, lengthy episodes a week. Hopefully 1 or 2 of them will be with a guest. I'm hoping for like 2 guests a month. So 4 episodes a week, 2 of them will be solo, 2 of them will be with people, hopefully in the process of like reaching out to people. So we'll see. And then 1 bonus episode the last Friday of each month. So I was supposed to do it this Friday, but I forgot about it. No, I didn't forget about it. Something came up. It was an emergency. I was supposed to record Thursday night and I had an emergency that really needed my help. So I couldn't. So now I'm about to record it. It's not going to be like visually recorded because it's a bonus episode. That's just my excuse to not record. For this bonus episode, I posted a Google form and asked for you guys to send in some questions. Like, well, I had a prompt. Tell me about a time that you stepped out in faith and it worked. So each bonus episode it's gonna kind of be a community episode where I hear from you guys. And so if you see that I post a Google form with a prompt, please send in something so that I can read it on this episode. Going to record. Hi everybody, welcome back to the kingdom. I'm going grocery shopping because I just need a couple things like kimchi. I need kimchi. What else do I need? Bananas. So let's go there. This is my outfit. There's also a flan place right next to the grocery store. So I'm gonna go get me some flan. I'm kind of in a bad mood. I read an email right before heading out. That kind of made me a little sad. So I feel like my spirit is down right now. I was listening to worship earlier, and Chandler Moore kept saying that rejection is redirection and rejection is God protecting you. And it's hard when you get rejected from something that you felt like would be God's plan. You know what I mean? Like, you see an opportunity that you think, why wouldn't this be in God's plan for me? Like, this sounds great. I feel like God would want this for me. So when you get rejected from something like that, it's like, well, God, what could be your plan? So I just saw the cutest baby ever. But yeah, so it kind of hurts, especially now that like I don't have my next steps really laid out for me. I'm kind of seeing where God takes me in my endeavors. It's very scary when you get rejected or you keep facing rejection. It hurts.
I know you love me, the love that you know me. Your plans are unfolding, our hands always holding, my heart always softening. Your yoke is so cozy, the burden is off me. Yeah, in my bones out the closet, still say I'm worth it. Though I'm out of pocket, when I'm acting Robin, I confess it often. But since playing possum, it's making me nauseous. Yeah.
Grocery haul.
Oh, you should do one.
I am doing That was a big bag. First, in the bag, lemonade, off-brand Frosted Flakes because that is the best kind. Pork shoulder, a packet of Shin ramen, some salt, bananas, oat milk, kombucha, kimchi. This brand is the best. Scallions. The number of things I'm listing off of just a trip for 2 things is ridiculous.
I don't want to say anything.
Okay. And then 3 cans of evaporated milk.
3 cans.
It was 3 for $5.
That's a good thing, actually.
I know, because it's expensive. And last but not least, some flan from the cafe next door.
Great haul.
Thank you so much. And my total was $45.35.
That's really good. Yeah.
I feel like Trader Joe's, all of this would have been way cheaper.
I mean, you got oat milk and you're under $45, I feel like, and you got kimchi and you got cereal.
That's,
You got ramen and you're under $50.
Just got out of church and now I'm walking to a closet sale. It's so funny because I feel like exactly a month ago, today, February 5th, I went to a closet sale after church. So weird coincidence. But I'm going to a closet sale by these like influencers that I follow. And I like their outfits a lot. So I'm hoping that I find something cute and hopefully not too expensive. And yeah, because I feel like it's been a while since I bought clothes. Oh my gosh, I'm not going the right way. Oh, never mind. I am. How desolate this train station is creeping me out. Here's the game plan. We're gonna go and we're gonna look for jackets, skirts, pants, jewelry, anything that I need more of. And then after we get a couple things, budget is $100. I can't spend more than $100. And then we're gonna get brunch because I still haven't eaten all day. So then we're getting brunch and then we'll go home.
I know I could have said I was feeling low, but I'm here just to hold your coat. I've been thinking I could stay out.